everyone. Learners, greetings. Is it still morning? Yes. All right. Sepomola is just trying to treat me. Let's see that when you go to high school or in Twitter. So he was just trying to treat me. Unfortunately, I don't know whether I fell for his scam or not, but hey, that's all. All right. I stand here as a proud and grateful teacher today, and also to extend my heartfelt thanks to those who have made this event a success, to those who have made this event possible. I also would like to thank the school management team together with the SUB for supporting our initiatives, for also encouraging us to strive for excellence. My vote of thanks also goes to the educators of Nirvana. You are a vibrant team. It's all because of your unity, working together for this to be possible. If you can look here at the stages, we were awarding our learners. As we were awarding our learners, you could see that systems were in place. There are people who were in charge of making sure that the awards are there, certificates are there, catering is there. This world to be like this, people had to be hands-on. I'm saying thank you, and I'm sending my appreciation to you, the vibrant team of Nirvana. Yes, we are a vibrant team with the vibrant learners. To the support staff of the school, we know what you are doing here at school. We see everything every day. We still would like to say all those hard work, all those efforts, don't think we don't see or we are shying them away. We acknowledge all the efforts, and we are still saying thank you. To the guests of the day, I would still say my appreciation. I'm extending them to you from all different organizations for taking an effort of coming here to grace our event or this ceremony. We thank you so much. We know too well that you should be doing some other things at your organizations, but you honored our invitation. To the parents of the learners, the parents of the school. Parents, I'm also extending my heartfelt appreciation to you for the love and support that you have shown us from the beginning of the year up until today. You have been supportive. We've been calling you to school in a way to say, let's mold these young ones. They wouldn't be where they are if it wasn't because of all of us. So today, as they are sitting here, we are proud of them. We are proud of you, parents. And I would like to talk to you, my learners. I'm saying thank you to you also. You are still learners of Nirvana, but you are behaving the other way around. Why? Hey, learners, have you already received your reports? Why are you behaving like this? Are you sure all of you will be attending the school? Yes! Wow. All right. I would like to say it has been a very long journey, from term 1 up until now. I'm not saying from grade R. Term 1 this year of 2023. It has been a very long journey. So you are here today all because of you being listening learners. We've been after you, trying to make sure you are within the right lanes. So we are saying we are proud of you as you will be leaving the school. Hey, go and show them who you are. Go